In the ocean, not everything is what it seems. Because some creatures don't hide, they become invisible. Perfectly camouflaged, the common octopus uses specialized cells to disappear against the rocky ocean floor. The octopus doesn't rely on strength. It relies on intelligence. It learns, explores, adapts.
Here, hidden among the rocks, the mimic octopus uses its incredible ability to change not just color, but texture.
The mimic octopus uses its incredible adaptability not just for camouflage, but also to impersonate dangerous animals.
But in the ocean, danger never announces itself.
So it creates confusion and disappears, fitting where others can't.
No armor, no brute strength, just intelligence. Follow for more stories from the wild, where nature reveals what life hides.